Hey everybody, Mr. Love here. Today we're going to talk very quickly about how to use a learning target tracker. At the bottom of each of the introductions to your units, you're going to see a text box that will probably have the same text in it and a document that says unit whatever learning target tracker. If you click on that unit, it will download it, and I'm going to have to get the one off of my desktop to make it work, but it downloads. You find it, and here it is. Alright, so you have your Unit 1 Learning Target Tracker. And so what you need to do is you need to read through each of the learning targets for this unit. Now, just a little bit of education speak, these learning targets are in fact the essential standards that you will be required to know for your end of course test. So read through each one of these. For example, the long-term target, the overarching target says, I can explain how tensions over power and authority led America's founding fathers to develop a constitutional democracy. You ask yourself, do I know what that means? Can I explain that? If Mr. Love were to give me that as an essay question, would I be able to write a good essay for it? So you've read the target, then you look up here at the scale and you say, man, where am I? All right, do I have absolutely no idea where that is? And if that's you, then you just put today's date. For example, today is 7/25/14 right there. All right, and that's your way of marking your progress. Or maybe you think, you know what, I could teach this, I know it so well. Then that's where you'll put today's date at. But you want to ask yourself, have I not even started learning about that standard? Have I met the target, but maybe, or excuse me, for the beginning, I've not met the target, but I've gotten a little bit of a start. If you're developing, I have not met the target and I'm making good progress. If you're accomplished or proficient at that, you've met the target. You understand what that learning target is asking you, or maybe you've exceeded. Now, it is okay at the very beginning to have zeros, ones, and twos. All right, because for the most part, nobody has taught you any of this information. Maybe you have no idea how a nation's political documents are often influenced by philosophical theories. But when we talk about the Enlightenment, you'll have a better understanding of what those philosophical theories are and who those philosophers are. So if you're at a 1 for this, you're just beginning. Again, you put today's date right there. By the end of this unit, when we revisit this learning target tracker and you have a chance to self-evaluate once again, hopefully you will have reached a 3 or a 4 on your learning target tracker. And if you feel like you're not there, that's when we need to pause and have a conversation. So what I want you to do is to go through on your learning target tracker and add today's date where you believe that you are on each one of these learning targets. So you go through the long term, 1.01, 1.02, 1.03, 1.04, etc. And then save that document so that we can revisit it at the end, and that's where you're going to submit a final learning target tracker to me so that I can see where you believe you are on each one of these learning targets. Thanks.